Hey there, parrot lovers! Today, we're going to dive into some fascinating facts about our feathered friends. Did you know that parrots are some of the most intelligent animals on the planet? They have the ability to learn and mimic human speech, and some species can even count and understand simple concepts. Parrots are also known for their vibrant colors, which can vary greatly between species. For example, the macaw has the largest beak-to-tail ratio of any parrot, while the lorikeet has the longest tail. Parrots are also excellent climbers, and some species can even fly upside down. They have a unique way of perching, using their feet to wrap around branches. So there you have it, folks. Parrots are truly amazing creatures, and we hope you've learned something new today. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fun facts. Cheers!